First, open the software. Select speed and press up to make the piston move up 1 to 3 mm. During the piston up, clear load. When the load value do not move, after this, press stop. Press data and create a new sample information. Power on, pump on, and clamping on. Using the control box to adjust the test space and clamping both sides of the sample. After doing that, just make displacement and deformation value to be 0 and select a suitable test speed, then press start, then the test begin. After sample broken, take off test sample. Press data and then press print, and then to create a new report format. After doing this, you can preview the test report. Remember, after finished each test, to make the piston down to bottom, then power off all parts.